Hey there humans, Bob here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get free games as a content creator. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we roll that intro. Creating video game content can be a dream job for many, myself included. But although it might be a dream job, for a lot of people, especially those that don't stick to a single game, gaming can be kind of pricey. So we're going to run through some of the best ways to get them without breaking the bank. The first best method of getting games is signing up for Keysights. Let's go over some of the best ones. Number 1, Rainmaker.gg. Rainmaker is an awesome website that allows you to check your streaming stats with some pretty cool features. It's the site that I use to help understand my own Twitch stats, but as well as this, the site also hosts some of the best video game key campaigns around. All you need to do is log in with the platform that you'll be creating content on and apply for a key using the campaign tab. Remember, when you apply, to properly select your region and platform for your game, but also give some context as to why you deserve the key for the game. A lot of the time, those deciding who get keys won't just look at your stats, but also why you think you're a good choice to cover the game. If you're approved to cover the game, don't forget to claim your key in the campaign tab. Number 2, next we have Keymailer. This site is pretty much like the previous ones, but mainly focuses on the key campaigns rather than being an analytics tool. Simply sign up, link your account, input any extra data, and then you're good to start browsing through the many games available on the site. Number 3, following that we have Terminals.io by Evolve PR. This site again is similar to Keymailer. Although the UI is a little more confusing, you could find codes for the games you're looking for here. Definitely sign up for their newsletter to keep up to date with any upcoming games in their roster. Number 4, finally, make sure to check out Whovit. They have a really nicely designed website that's super easy to navigate. Whilst the games tend to be indie focused, there is a really great mix available. Definitely one of the lesser known sites, but definitely not a lesser site. Some things to note on these key sites. Number 1, numbers can play into whether you're chosen a lot. Number 2, you won't get a lot of space to tell these sites how you're unique and why you should get the code over hundreds or maybe even thousands of other creators. So when you do, use that space. Number 3, you may never receive approvals or rejections. Sadly, that's something you'll just have to get used to. Number 4, get your requests in early. If you want to be in with a better chance, being early can sometimes help. Be proactive and look for games you're interested in and not just a week before release. Now, whilst these sites are great ways of getting codes for games, especially when you're starting out, I'd highly encourage you to start trying to connect with community managers, influencer relationship managers, and PR folks at the companies that make the games that you enjoy. Follow these people on Twitter, and when they post about opportunities of upcoming games, be ready with an elevator pitch or even better, an info pack about who you are and what your content is. You'll be surprised how much easier it is to get what you'd like for your channel if you help those giving out the codes understand who you are. Here at Streamsight, we actually take on design commissions for other creators to help build their media kits, so they can do just this. So if you'd like to talk about these, check out our coffee commissions in the links in the description below. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps. Subscribe and to check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks so much, and as always, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.